Today let's learn how to get user input from the console window using scanf method. Remember, scanf method is also present inside stdio.h header file, which we include in our program in order to get input from the user. I take this opportunity to also let you know how to use int, float and char variable. Also, I'll introduce you to the string inputs. I'll show the example. So this is our program. We have included stdio.h. I'll declare a variable of type int and initialize it to 1. And using printf, I'll print out the value of a using format specifier %d. %d because a is an integer variable. If you don't understand this format specifier, please visit our previous video tutorial. After that, you can come back here. So I'll introduce /n, which means new line character. Okay. So let me show you how float works. That is real type value. We have a variable by name a. So if I again create a variable by name a, it will start throwing errors and you can check it. For now, I'll just remove this and make it b. You can give any name. I'll let you know the rules for that also. So %f is format specifier for float values. So after 2 lines of new line character, it will just print the value of b, which is 1. By the way, float means it has decimal value, so it will simply print out 0000000, 6 zeros after 1 if you have not specified the decimal values. Character, I'll take a character variable c and make sure to have the value in single quotes. If you have the value in double quotes, it's entirely different thing, so have it in single quote. So %c is the format specifier. I'll change this to something else because you will get confused with %c here. So I'll convert it to letter LTR. I'll copy that and paste it here instead of C. Okay, C value is B. So this is how you use int, float and character variables and %d, %f and %c format specifiers. So I'll take out these things and I'll show you how to use scanf now to get user inputs. Int a, remember it's an integer value, so enter value of a. I'll need to ask the user to enter the value of a, so I print out that. So first argument is the format specifier and the second one is the variable name appended with the ampersand symbol, that is the value will be stored in the address of that variable. You'll know more about it when we come to pointers. For now, just know the syntax of this scanf. So that's it. The value entered by the user is printed out to the console once again. So get the user input, show this message, pause until the user enters an integer number. Once he enters, display value of that. Value of a is whatever he enters. So I'll enter 32. Value of a is 32. Let's see the same thing for float data. Remember, float, if you give integer value to float variable, it will still print out the remaining decimal points. So this won't work, it will throw 2 errors now. Guess why? Because we have wrong format string here. So convert it into %f because it's float type. The data type of a is float. I'll enter 32.1. It will display 32.099998, I guess. Yeah, that's how it prints. Now the character. See, char type variable only takes a single character as input. Format string is %c. So what happens if we give multiple strings, that is array of characters? I'll first enter single character s and it will print it out. Okay, what happens if I enter my full name, that is multiple characters? It will simply store the first character you have entered, that is s. So I'll give you a hint. This is called array variable. The size of a is 10. Instead of c, let me give s, and we need not give that address, that is ampersand. It works now. You need not worry about these strings and arrays right now. Just know the syntax. I'll come back to this and give you a detailed video on this. For now, this is how Scanf works, and this is how you take user input for integer, real, and character and string data types. Well, printf and scanf are kind of opposites. I'm saying this because printf takes all the numbers, characters, strings, etc. and prints out it in the form of text to the console window, while scanf takes all the text formats input by the user. That is, if you input 1, 2, 3 or C, A, B, anything, it's all considered as text in the console window. But when it stores the data using this format specifiers, it stores in the form of the data type the format specifier specifies. So that's how the text is converted into its respective data type when it comes to scanf. Hope you learned something out of this. Please share this video with your friends on your social media sites. Please stay subscribed to our YouTube channel and blog, and notes to this video is present in the description section of this YouTube video. And make sure to like this video on YouTube. Thank you.